Venice, born from the sea, renowned for its colourful marbles, precious glass and luxurious fabrics, becomes the Serenissima, also thanks to its scuole, lay confraternities, including the still much appreciated Scuola Grande di San Rocco, Confraternity of St. Roch, which is the perfect example of the union past, present and future. A place made unique by Jacopo Tintoretto and by the extraordinary use of light, naturalistic and theatrical at the same time, in that painter's works. A place where tradition and research now join together to give a new perspective on art.
Jaeger-LeCoultre has been associated with the Biennale di Venezia for 10 years now, and after 10 years we wanted to do a little bit more, and we tried to look into what was possible for us as a brand, and we found out that the Scuola Grande di San Rocco, we felt it was very important because it was combining the values of the brand, which rely on tradition, preserving the arts, and innovation, and doing something for the arts. The Scuola was the best institution in that respect, so that's how we worked with the Confraternita on a 3-year plan, each phase being focused on one specific craft. For instance, this year we're going to focus on the lighting, the second year will be on the marbles, and then the third year will be on the windows.
(1564), Tintoretto paints and installs the oval painting depicting St. Roch in glory. This was the start of a 10-year story that would culminate in the large crucifixion in the Sala dell'Albergo. It is one of the most forceful paintings created in Europe in the 16th century, full of chiaroscuro and light. A masterpiece, which thanks to today's renewed patronage of the arts, can be admired together with the rest of the Sala dell'Albergo in all its luminous glory.
Confronted with Tintoretto and the other great artists who built the Scuola, it seems as if time and light are two media, two communication tools that allow us to resonate with the work of art. On the one hand, there is time, with its measuring devices, clocks. On the other hand, we have light, and the great technologies that science provides us in connection with it. All this mixes synergistically in the Scuola di San Rocco now. All these great innovation tools are at the service of a new relationship with art that allows us to capture inside ourselves a reflection of the messages that art sends and that are absolutely fundamental for our life and the quality of our daily life.
Per la qualità del nostro vivere contemporaneo.
The lighting project for the Sala dell'Albergo was created with two fundamental concepts in mind: enhancement and preservation. The new lighting system uses LED lights incorporated in the existing paraboloids by Mariano Fortuny, and allows Tintoretto's work to be admired in something approaching sunlight. In this way, the paintings reveal their true colours and shades, their original natural hues, and the painstaking and reversible control of the light obtained with the new system promotes a more complex, more precise, and more learned interpretation of the paintings. The new dynamic lighting, born of the collaboration between the Scuola di San Rocco and Jaeger-LeCoultre, launches a new era in lighting direction. A new era for art, when it should be possible to see what, until now, has escaped the eye.
This is the best place ever to show these 12 unique pieces which show the craftsmanship of Jaeger-LeCoultre, and its interest in developing the arts of the enamelers, the arts of the engravers, the arts of the watchmakers. For Jaeger-LeCoultre, Venice is a very important city. As a matter of fact, we celebrated our 180th anniversary last year in Venice. That was at La Fenice. and this year the brand is 181 years old. So it's a very old brand which relies a lot on tradition, and which that's why we have a common value here with the Scuola Grande di San Rocco. We've always been attached to Venice because Venice is a city of art, it's a city of tradition, and we feel very comfortable in the city, and that's why we want to be more and more involved.